How to watch live football on YouTube TV with iPhone X. Step number 1. Install the YouTube TV app on your iPhone X. Open the App Store on your iPhone X. In the search bar, type YouTube TV and search. Select the YouTube TV app from the search results, tap Get to download and install the app. Step number 2. Sign into your YouTube TV account. Open the YouTube TV app on your iPhone X. Sign in using your Google account credentials that are linked to your YouTube TV subscription. Step number 3. Subscribe to YouTube TV if needed. If you do not have a YouTube TV subscription, visit the YouTube TV website on a browser to sign up. The base plan includes over 100 channels, including CBS, Fox, NBC, ESPN, and NFL Network, where you can watch live football games. Step number 4. Navigate to live football games. On your iPhone X, use the search function in the YouTube TV app to find specific football games. You can also browse through the live or sports sections to find upcoming or ongoing football games. Step number 5. Start streaming. Once you find the game you want to watch, tap on it and it will begin streaming live on your iPhone X. Additional tips. Cloud DVR. YouTube TV offers unlimited cloud DVR storage, allowing you to record football games and watch them later. AirPlay. If you prefer watching on a larger screen, you can use AirPlay to cast the stream to an Apple TV or other AirPlay compatible device.